This is an activity to show how yeast and a combination of sugar and water will be able to blow up this balloon. So what we want to do is recognize that yeast has to be new. Microorganisms are in there, and you can say they're kind of resting, but this is what your mom would make bread from. And it's yeast, and we need to put yeast inside this bottle, and we need to have water, warm water. If you have real hot water, it's going to kill the yeast and the experiment will not work. You need lukewarm water, and you're going to put water in there. Then you'll put a little bit of sugar in there because sugar is going to feed the microorganisms in the yeast. So what we're going to do, put yeast, sugar, warm water. We're going to put the balloon over the cap, and then we're going to wait, and eventually the gas that's released will sooner or later start to fill the balloon up. Now, if we wanted to have another experiment with it, we could put yeast in it. We could have 3 bottles here. We could have yeast with very, very hot water and anticipate that it's not going to blow up the balloon because that will kill the yeast. Or we can put the yeast in without any sugar to show that we're not feeding them, therefore they're not expelling any kind of gases. So there are different ways that we can do this. This will take a period of time, and you may do your other experiments and then look back and make sure you kind of know which student is the first one to recognize that the balloon is actually starting to blow up. But this will take a time.